What's good, ladies and gentlemen? It's your boy Kalen Cook of Ocular Essence Media, and I'm here today spreading some value for you video editors out there. Stay tuned to the rest of the video to find out. To all my video editors out there, I'm spreading some value for you guys today. I will be teaching you guys how to create your own LUT using Premiere Pro and Adobe Lightroom. Now, a LUT is an acronym for Lookup Table. A LUT is a series of numbers created by the software to show you the colors. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be enhancing or tweaking these colors in Lightroom and then transferring that over to Premiere Pro as a LUT. So let's dive right into the computer. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to go to the link that's in the description of this post. Here is the IWLTBAPABCD. Let me stop. But here is the LUT generator website. It does say buy now, but you do not have to pay for it. I didn't pay for it. If you're feeling generous, you can add a donation to the people who create this app, because this thing is great. I'm going to tell you this is really great. This is awesome. So if you're feeling generous, go ahead and give them a tip or a donation for the app. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to open up Premiere Pro. Excuse my desktop with all of the folders everywhere. But okay, so here is my timeline right here. A few clips of my dog. She turned 1 on the 1st of October, so I got a few little clips or whatever. I have these clips here. They have been color corrected slightly. I have done some slight adjustments to them. I haven't changed the colors. I just made it look more natural. Seeing the fact that I use the S-Log2 picture profile. If you don't know what that is, you're gonna have to do a little research on that. But all the S-Log2 picture profile really does, it kind of flattens the image as far as all the colors, so that I can get more creative in post-production with the colors. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is you want to grab a screenshot. I'm gonna find a good clip. Matter of fact, this is a good clip right here. Look at her, she's such a sweet puppy. Oh my gosh. If you don't have it there, you're looking for a camera that says export frame. So if you don't have it there, you're gonna click right here, button editor, and you're gonna add this in there, because that's what you're gonna need to take a screen grab. This is the particular part of the clip that I want to use the screen grab, so that I can take it over to Lightroom and I can enhance the colors to the way that I want them to look. So we're going to export frame. Scott B-Day is fine. I think that'll work. JPEG. And that's JPEG. So it's going to my desktop, so I know where it's going. All right, once you have done that, what I want you to do is open up your LUT generator app once you have it downloaded. All right, so once you get the LUT generator app opened up, what I want you to do is generate a HALD. So I pick where I want the HALD to go. I'm going to pick it to go to the desktop. So here is my HALD and here is my screen grab. So now what I'm going to do is open up Lightroom. And once you get Lightroom opened up, just go to import. Go ahead and import your HALD, and you're going to import your screen grab. So I'm going to the desktop where I have both of mine saved. This is my screen grab, and this is my screen grab, and this is HALD. So we're going to import it and develop. So right now we're not worried about the HALD. Right now we are going to change the colors to whatever we want them to look like. So as far as everything that can transfer over to the LUT, you can change the exposure, contrast, highlight, things like that, saturation, tone curve, hue, saturation, luminance, split toning, and the primaries. But you cannot add post-crop vignetting or scaling or anything like that. That stuff will not transfer over to your LUT. So what I like to do is, you know, just mess around with it until I get it to look how I want to. There's no perfect look when there's creating a LUT. Creating a LUT is something that's to your own creative control, and you're gonna want it to look however you want it to look. So I'm gonna edit this right fast. Alright, so this is basically how I want it to look. I think I'm satisfied with this. Here is a before and after of what it used to look like and what it looks like now, and you can see how much the colors have been changed, and you can see the difference it definitely makes, and it makes it pop. So now what you're going to do is you're going to hold the shift key and you're going to click the HUD. Once you click the HUD, go ahead and press sync, synchronize, and now what this does is it's going to make all these colors that you just enhanced on the photo go to the HUD. Now what you're going to do now is you're going to go to export. You just want to export the HUD, so just click the HUD, file, and then export. Once you go to export, make sure you can save it as whatever name you want it to. Let's change it to Sky LUT 2.0. I've named another LUT after her. So just make sure you save it as a JPEG and don't mess with anything else. So go ahead and export it. Okay, so mine pops up as soon as it's done. So now what you want to do is open the LUT generator app back up, click convert to cube. Once you click convert to cube, open up where you saved the JPEG file, and here it is, Sky LUT 2. I'm going to click open. Once it's done, it's going to give you this notification right here, operation completed successfully. So now you're going to go back to Premiere Pro, and the first thing I do when I add my LUT in, I like to add an adjustment layer, so I want to have to add my LUT to every single clip. So what we're going to do is we're going to add an adjustment layer. Add the adjustment layer over the top. There's two ways you can go about this situation. You can click the color tab, and adjust your colors like this, but that's not how I like to do it. I like to keep my editing workspace the same the whole time I'm editing, so I just do it like this, and then I get the Lumetri color, I like to keep my workspace the same, so I get the Lumetri color effect and I just put it on the adjustment layer. So once you put it on the adjustment layer, click the adjustment layer, go to effect controls, and all the same tabs that were in the color workspace is going to be exactly the same right here, but it's going to be in the effect controls. This is how I just like mine to look. You don't have to do it like this at all. So now what we're going to do, we're going to click the creative, click the drop down on look, browse, and go to the folder where I saved it. It was on the desktop, creative LUTs, Sky. Oh man, it didn't convert it. Oh yes it did, it's right here. Tripping. So once you convert it, it is going to add the LUT, and as you can see, it has been added. Maybe I don't want it to be as strong, so I'm going to turn it down just a little bit. Let's go with 75. Okay, I like the way that looks. So this is basically pretty much how you create your own LUT. Once you get the LUT created, you can still enhance the colors and everything in Premiere Pro even more, because I do as well. But the LUT just adds that general set of colors on there to make it pop how you want it, and then you can still enhance it from there. So that's all I have for you today. This is a quick tutorial, my first tutorial, so I hope you guys learned a lot from this video, and I hope you guys can make your own LUTs, and heck, maybe even make money off making your own LUTs. You never really know, just give it a try. If you're not, make sure you hit the subscribe button and like this video. Add a comment as well if this video helped you create your own LUT. I thank you guys for showing love to all my videos, and I will see you next time on the next video on my page. Kaylin is out.